Okay guys, so let's start with the least important part, I suppose, which is the tools. I use TradingView for my analysis, for the back test and the demos as well. Unfortunately, I cannot use it for the real my real account, just because TradingView doesn't have any partnership with AvaTrade, which is my my broker. Anyway, I found it a very great platform. You have a lot of free stuff, templates, a lot of financial tools. Here the news, a huge free public library. All the time frame you want, all the markets you want, a great replay mode for the back test, the alert as well, everything, lots of graphic tools as well, all of them customizable. So very great platform. I really suggest you to use it. Here we have our watch list that you will see in all my my videos, in which you can find the markets we now following for the ST strategy and for the 5M strategies, which are my strategy, and we will speak about them later in the next videos. So you have here everything you need. Okay. If you don't know this platform, I suggest you to take a tour. Anyway, you can easily use MT4 MetaTrader or 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. It's the same thing. I found TradingView so much easier and with a lot of great stuff more. Okay, for the real, use the platform of my broker. However, if you use, I repeat, MT4 is fine. Do not worry. What about broker? I don't want to talk about broker because I'm not an affiliate. I don't care, to be honest. Anyway, I use AvaTrade for several reasons that I want to advertise now. I just tell you that regardless of this course, make sure your broker is regulated, is safe, okay, ACNN obviously, and has the low spreads. Okay, low spreads, in particular on the markets you want to trade. That's all my suggestions. Okay, all my advices, all my suggestions that I can give you. Okay, so take a look to TradingView. If you don't know it, it will be very useful for your analysis. Okay.